Rhode Island federal judge today has said that Donald Trump's administration had violated a court order that's freezing of federal funds and says they need to immediately restore those frozen funds now. If you remember when Donald Trump took office, he froze federal funds that Congress had already approved, which led a lot of people to say, wait a minute, you're freezing funds that were already allocated. That doesn't make any sense. As soon as Donald Trump froze that funding, we saw 23 state attorneys that went, wait a minute, no, this money is already allocated for certain projects. You can't just freeze that money. And guess what? A judge agreed. This decision is coming from U.S. District Chief Judge John McConnell that said, states have presented evidence in this motion that the defendants in some cases have continued to improperly freeze federal funds and refuse to resume disbursement of appropriated federal funds. He added that these pauses in funding violate the plain text of the TRO. That was that original temporary restraining order put in place so that funds wouldn't be frozen. The grand question, what did the judge see here that made him go, oh, this is a problem? Well, he goes on to say here that the freezes were a result of a broad categorical order, not a specific finding of possible fraud. Meaning that if it was the goal of, hey, we think there's fraud in this department, let's just look at this one little thing and actually see it out. Versus what Donald Trump actually did, which was, we're just going to freeze everything and just maybe go through it a little bit at a time and figure it out. And the big thing is, they were freezing departments that there wasn't even like a hint of fraud, in which it goes, you just froze that just to freeze that? That's not really constitutional. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Please share my videos and follow me for more.